All right, jumping right back into the Castle Blue action. The next artist taking the stage is a seasoned performer who actually got some honing right here on this stage. He is much improved and ready to roll. So make some noise for Movac.
Good night, good night. Happy New Year. I don't support them and we kill off the woman them, you know. In a real life, they need to measure them space. In a real life. Oh, I did this man with one here. Right now, me come for telling you something. Listen to Jama, yeah. Well, watch her then. Some girl feel like a sex man want when man say relationship. Two are we in the house and it come like semi and not smarty picnic. She over there so one side on her phone, she live on it. If I never want thing, me take her phone and broke up her chip. Hey girl, what is relationship? What is companionship? How you feel around your man, pan your phone, and laugh on a gallify? What if me never be you as my queen? Me put you out with your clothes for you in. So girl, you know what you do, what good for you? Pack up and go on. Watch on the man. Don't water, don't make it. Me no monkey pan no lip. How what the hell do you girl let think I sing on you girl? Well. Don't water, don't make it. Me no monkey pan no lip. Me know the most I say, so I can't use my phone. Alright, let's go on. Watch him at. Me can't see her for week time. She said she gonna chill with parents. One and then me laugh sometime. Me take it as a habit, exercise me patient. Mix up. She have a friend me like me. Tell me say I lie. I'm a fool and me don't have no sense. But me not follow you say. Me really want find out for myself. Well away. She say if you don't believe me, come out tonight at Magnum weekends. Yeah. Me say I lie. Me the close. Me I go stop by you well. Me couldn't believe I must say. I know my girl that you must see mother could do me good woman that all up in a Sanjay heart. What is relationship? What is companion?
But see here. No man, Sanjay. Movac, in your own words, tell us what a relationship is to you.
Well, relationship for me is quality time, respect, loyalty, honesty, understanding.
All right. Okay. A bit hungry. I understand your pain. I feel it. Judges, do you see the development in that performance? Professor Nuts.
Movac, I don't know how to explain this.
No,
you saw me go just go do a while ago. You see that one there? When me go so when me mean it do. No, it kick way. What it do? One more. Movac, the song there, great. Put together, everything clear. Hey, me I tell you man, the storyline was so good. It had me in a Movac, going through. You have to go through. Rocco.
Cho, scatter.
Nuts, you couldn't give me that kick with them, man. Jesus, 10 years I'm in a fine one. Okay. No. That brother look like him comfy. Don't. All the woman, 90% of the woman them in are guilty. But them still love the song and rock to it, me done. The man perform wicked. The man use up the stage. The man come out and smile with the audience and beat on at the same time. The song have it pause and breathe in between, melody and everything, and him beat Sanjay leave people woman alone. Oh, is that? We shouldn't leave